Want to hide your surroundings or make your Zoom meetings more professional and fun? Zoom's virtual background feature lets you replace your real background with an image or video in just a few clicks. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Zoom virtual background in 2026. Start by opening the Zoom desktop application and signing in to your account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings window, click the Backgrounds and Effects tab. This is where you can manage virtual backgrounds, video filters, and appearance settings. Browse the available virtual backgrounds and click the one you'd like to use. Zoom will instantly apply it to your camera preview. If you'd rather use a custom image or video, click the Add button, then choose Add Image or Add Video. Select your file and Zoom will apply it automatically. If you're using a physical green screen, enable the I have a green screen option for cleaner background replacement. This usually produces better results than software-only background removal. Take a moment to preview your virtual background before joining a meeting. Make sure your face is clearly visible and the background appears natural. You can also change your virtual background while you're already in a meeting. Click the arrow next to the video button, then choose Backgrounds and Effects to switch backgrounds without leaving the meeting. For the best virtual background quality, use good lighting, wear clothing that contrasts with your background, keep your camera lens clean, and use a plain wall or green screen whenever possible. And that's how to change your Zoom virtual background in 2026. Whether you're working remotely, attending online classes, or joining virtual events, virtual backgrounds help you look more professional while protecting your privacy. Try different backgrounds and personalize your Zoom meetings today. Thanks for watching.